Hello again, it's the Guilleries.
And then those boxes distract you.
And today we're opening IBbeautiful. And I forgot to open this with the scissors. And where did my scissors go?
And where did my...
They're probably all in the scissors bucket now.
Can you go get the scissors bucket so I can open the box?
The entire bucket?
Because I'm in
No, just one. It looks like it's too... I'm in it too much, right? There you go.
What?
Your shirt almost got your shirt. I was trying to detect if it was a monster. I mean, a face or not.
Nope, it's just fun. Fun.
Look at my shirt. Fun. Fun.
You're not even listening.
What?
I was asking which scissors you want.
Just get any pair of scissors.
But some are sharper than ours, so I wonder.
Oh my gosh!
It doesn't matter. They all cut the plastic.
Does this cut plastic or is it too dual?
That's fine. It cuts plastic. The thin tape, yeah, it cuts tape. Now let me. Seriously.
Well, I was asking a question and you guys were just talking about your shirts.
Well, you weren't speaking clearly enough.
I think it would be
You're just going...
just to Okay, let's get started. IBbeautiful, so this should be the last box of this. So. Her hand. Almost got your hand as a face.
Nobody will even know what we're talking about.
We're playing with our new camera, so it's funny.
I don't think it's that funny.
Okay, girl, confidence is power. How to be more confident. Trust in who you are. Don't compare yourself. Relax more. Don't stress about the little things. Stop doubting yourself. Love yourself. You're a gift. Nothing would be the same if you didn't exist. Set goals and crush them. Okay. And then there's the usual card. Okay, and confidence is the best outfit. Rock it and own it. When life puts you in tough situations, don't say why me, say try me. Okay? So the first thing I pick off is a little purple thingy, and it says, I'm going to make you so proud. Note to self, and it comes in this pretty sachet thing, or whatever you want to call it.
No!
It says, I'm going to make you so proud. Let's see. Looks like a heart key. A key to the heart. Or whatever else it is.
Where was Ginger's key?
Oh, it's all tangled already on the thing. It's a... What is that? Something with a heart key, but it's all tangled already. So this is what it looks like. Is that a person face?
I can't tell. It's all the way over there.
Oh, I don't know.
This one is almost completely straight.
That one didn't curl.
It says love.
Oh, okay. Oops.
I could probably untangle this.
Color Pop nail polish.
I don't do my nails, but that's cool.
Put it on this. Ew.
Yeah, covered it. This is really pretty.
I don't know what it is though, because it's too tiny.
It must be an ankle bracelet. Maybe. I don't know. This one doesn't have the. This one doesn't have the thing to tell you what's in there.
Oh, this is an infinity sign. It says
Love. Yeah, love.
no, don't say infinity. That's a word.
You know, it looks like a charm. It looks like a charm bracelet, kind of. Okay.
Moisturizing lip mask.
Dang, girl.
Moisturize and repair damaged lips.
My lips are damaged.
That's good
Wilson
for
no
the
longer has
winter
lips.
when it's dry.
I'm sorry.
This
for
gel
your
lip
loss.
mask will moisturize and repair damaged lips. Infused with collagen, vitamins, and minerals for lips that feel great and look plump.
Plump. Okay, so should we try it on? Should I try it
Ew,
on?
we'll pass it around.
Contains 5 masks.
Oh.
Everyone in the family can have
Come
one.
on, yeah, even Charles and Dad.
And then we'll pose for a picture. Wait, who's gonna take it? We're gonna have to get one of the neighbors to say, hey, come here, take a picture of us.
Mana Kadar Beauty. So this is priming gloss stain. So this is what do you call it? Lip gloss stuff. Okay.
Okay, I found a phone pocket.
A phone pocket?
Yeah, you can put your earbuds in here.
Oh.
Like, it sticks onto like the
Oh, I
back.
see. No, before you can put your credit card in there, just don't lose your phone. So do what you love. And love what you do.
Actually, I don't even have a phone.
iPod, whatever.
Well, I mean, it's the same size.
Almost
Sure
the
could
same
fit.
thing, except for it can't phone people.
Yeah, it's a phone that can't phone.
Yeah,
The gold necklace with a key that says confidence is key. Make a wish and put on your necklace. The future is wide open. Wear your necklace as a reminder that when you believe in yourself, you're unstoppable.
It's not the key. I'm trying to find the key for the gate so I can take the kids on the
So
walk.
these are the little key, just like the
Is
little
that it?
You gotta
charm
wear
bracelet
it.
thing.
Oh, thanks. He wasn't wearing one in that picture, was he?
Was he?
Unless it was a rectangle key.
Okay, and the last
Maybe
thing
it's
is the
key
shirt.
card.
And this is what the inside of the
Like
box
for
looks like.
getting to a hotel room. I'm just blabbing.
Okay. Yeah,
Our
Christmas.
camp's hotel. I think I like this accent. I should
This
use
is
it
like
more.
almost an olive green. Girl confidence is key power.
I don't like it.
Girl confidence is key power.
That's what it says.
Girl
It's
power.
a girl confidence is power.
GRL confidence is key
GRL.
sign. PWR.
Okay, so that's our box for I'd be beautiful or maybe I'd be ugly.
No, you don't be ugly. I was getting struck because I learned to.
Okay, if we didn't annoy you and you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to us.